Hi, I'm Louis from Signature Subang. So I'm going to bring you a tour at our newest project in Medan Damansara. So for this concept, I propose the customer is for the urban kind of concept. As you can see, the colors is a petrol blue with a mixture of Niver stone. And also for this, I propose open unit for her to like put cookbooks. So for existing house, but she requests for an island. So for them to like have a light breakfast on top of this island, and also here I got few kind of plug points for them to like charge their pots, electric pots. So for this laundry area, I propose a wall unit here for the customer to have more space of storage for them to put detergents, all those and a bigger workspace for here. She chose a big single bowl for easier to put like big pots, everything too easy to wash, and also extension tap for them to easier to wash. And also here we have a dishwasher. So when she have any gathering or events, so they can just put everything for the dishwasher instead of washing one by one. So for this hob, choosing for gas hob. So for this placement, for the hob and the sink, so easier flow line for them to like after their food preparation, after their work, everything you can put here so they're easy to prepare the food. And also for the wall unit, they can put like pots and plates, everything. And also here, you have 3 sides of drawers for them to put pots, bigger pots, everything, kitchen utensils, everything. And also here, I propose a UV trap for them to easier to access the plug. For this living area, I have some glass cabinet, so for you to display the decors and also the open shelving. And so for the cabinet, we are using a flat down system mechanism, so easier for accessible.